Hey, don't be like me. Let me show you how to turn on your Google form notifications to ensure that you don't miss another submission. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to create your Google form. So I'm going to go here. Remember that this service is free with your Google account. So I'm going to click on Google Forms. I already created my Google form, but if you wanted to create a blank one or use one of the templates, you can do so up here. They have a variety of templates, but we're just going to focus on the one that we've created. And once you get here, you want to click on responses. And then once you're over on the responses page, you want to click on view in sheets. Now, once you're here, just remember this is going to help you keep all of your responses organized. And, in the event that you want to create some type of graph or something, you could do so with the information here. But this is where we turn on our notifications. So go to tools, click on notification settings. Since I already did it already, I'm just going to click on edit and then click on user. Matter of fact, I'm going to just start from scratch. All right, so we're just going to click delete. Now we're going to add another. The user submits a form, you email right away, save, right? And if you wanted to add another one, you could click done. Now I'm going to test it out. So we already, oh, also, see this message right here? We want to update this message here as well because this is what you'll see when you complete it, and we don't want it to say that. So I'm going to go in here and fix that as well. So I'm going to come back over here. And I'm going to go to settings, presentation, confirmation message, and then you just go down here and make it say what you wanted to say. So I'm just going to update the phone number and put in the email address too. And that's that. Click save. Always remember to click save. That is that. Okay. Now we're going to test it out. And so since we've already say let's do in private mode. All right, we shouldn't have to use it log in to fill out this form. You must be signed in. No. So why is that? Just check it to see why that is. Checking. Let's see. Let's go back to. It just be matter of fact. Let me just grab another form link. That's what I'll do because I was using it, or might just be using an old one. So we're copying that. I'm gonna come over here into another browser. Paste that in the browser. Should be doing that. Let's turn it off again. Don't want that happening. So, okay, there it goes. That's what it is. It's right here. See, it says verified. So we want to take that off. So I'm going to go back. So we just responder input, and then that will allow us to not have that there. So sorry about that. That was funny. I'm like, why was that not working? So now, there we go. Go ahead and put in all of this stuff, email, date, graphic. Just test it. I can go back. All my answers from before. Submit. All right, now you can see that my form is updated. I'm only playing on my phone, y'all. Well, the good thing is I'll answer it anyway. It's like I answer it, but only during business hours. So leave a message. um, but customers know how to get in touch with me. That's not a problem. Now once that's done, we're going to try it. We're going to just check and see if it worked. So let's go over to our document. We can see that all of our information is in here. I'm going to check and see if I got an email as well. So let's move it over for 1 second. I'm bring it over so I can show y'all what the email looks like. Because to be honest, that's the main thing is making sure I get an email about it because I don't want. Yes, we are getting an email. 550. Yes. This is what the email looks like right here. So just FYI, boom, was edited recently. All right, so that's that. I hope that you learned something. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell notification so that you are notified the next time that I record a video. And this little autofocus box is just, we got a video done. It's over. I'll see y'all later. And on the next video, hopefully the autofocus won't keep coming up. All right, bye.